In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a VPN, specifically Nordvpn, on your iPhone and iPad. Nordvpn is a popular choice for ensuring your online activities remain private and secure, especially when using public Wi-Fi networks. So let's dive into the process of setting it up on your Apple devices. First, you would want to start by visiting the Nordvpn website. Open up your preferred web browser on your iPhone or iPad and type in the Nordvpn website URL or search for Nordvpn's download page. Once you're there, the next step is to log into your account. You should see a prominent login button. Tap on this button and enter your credentials to access your account. If you haven't created an account yet, you can do so by following the instructions on the website. After you've successfully logged into your Nordvpn account, navigate your way to your account overview. This is where you'll find all the essential details about your Nordvpn subscription and the various options available to you. On this page, you'll also see a download button. Click it to proceed. This button is crucial as it gives you access to the necessary files and applications required to set up Nordvpn on your devices. Now, under the download section, look for the option that mentions VPN solutions for mobile. Since we're focusing on using Nordvpn on iPhone and iPad, this is the option you'll need. Go ahead and click on this. What this does is guide you to the specific download options that are compatible with your mobile devices, ensuring that you get the right application for your needs. Once you've reached the mobile VPN solution page, you'll see another option that says Get Mobile App. Tap on this and it will take you to the Apple App Store. This is the final step in terms of downloading the application. On the App Store, you can download and install the Nordvpn app just like any other application you would on your iPhone or iPad. Simply tap download or the cloud icon and wait for the app to install. With the Nordvpn app now installed on your device, open the application and log in using your Nordvpn credentials. Once logged in, you can easily connect to any server location you prefer depending on your privacy needs or geographic preferences. Connecting to a server is usually as easy as tapping a button and you'll be surfing securely in no time. And there you have it, you've successfully set up Nordvpn on your iPhone or iPad. By following these straightforward steps, you can ensure a safer and more private browsing experience at home or on the go. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more practical tech tips.